In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a card website. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable link to your site and know exactly how to get it in front of the right people. First, open your site in the card editor. Take a quick moment to glance over your content to be sure everything looks the way you want. It's always a good idea to check spacing, images, and any buttons or forms so you're publishing a polished version. When you're ready, click Publish. This action takes your site live on the web. Card will generate a public link for you automatically and display it on screen. That link is what you'll be sharing, so note it for the next step. Now let's grab the link from the live site. Open your newly published card website in your browser. You'll see the full web address in the browser's address bar at the top. Click once to highlight it, then copy it. On most computers, that's as simple as pressing Command+C on a Mac or Control+C on Windows. If you want a quick tip, pressing Command+L or Control+L first selects the entire address bar instantly, making it easy to copy the exact URL with no extra characters. It's also smart to paste the link into a new tab or an incognito window and load it once, just to confirm it opens correctly and that everything on the page is visible without needing to log in. With your link copied, you're ready to share. Email is a great place to start. Paste the link into your message and add a short sentence explaining what the recipient will find when they click. That context helps people know why they should visit. If you prefer chat apps or direct messaging, paste the same link into your conversation. Most platforms will generate a preview automatically, which makes your site more inviting to open. Social media is another effective option. Post your link on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or X with a clear caption that highlights the purpose of your site, whether it's a portfolio, an event page, or a landing page. Finally, if you manage another website or a blog, you can add your card link there as a standard hyperlink, like Visit My Portfolio, so it's easy for visitors to find. That's it. Anyone who has the link can view your card website online. Each time you update and publish changes in card, the same link will reflect the latest version, keeping sharing simple and consistent.